LIDR stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Aeye stock, or Aeye Incorporated stock, has gone up 60% that just Friday, and LIDR is just like a pretty interesting ticker symbol to say the least. Like if I look at it from a broader picture, I'm curious to see if my drawings are still here. Yeah, previously that was made like since big like May, beginning of the year. I would love to take the price up, and what happened was we actually went up this exact way. That was phenomenal, delivered towards the highs. Now we have a lot more new data right here, you know. So context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. I'm definitely going to keep kind of a hard time from approach to this one here. I mean, that's the low. What's this today? Right, this one candle doesn't really say much for me, honestly. So there's like nothing there. If I see like retracements down, then and only then I'll take short side bias. Like other than that, I'll keep you updated. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.